Morning. It is September 6th, Labor Day actually. I think today we're going to try to finish up some harvest prep, and then I guess we'll see how the day goes. It's been a while since the last time I saw y'all, and pretty much since then we've been working on cutting tobacco. We put a chicken litter spreader bed on that big red truck. We pretty much got a bunch of stuff ready for harvest, and then we put new tracks on our track tractor, and we're still trying to finish up touches on that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Combine, I believe, is ready to go mechanically. I'm gotta figure out some electronic stuff, gotta get a bunch of stuff calibrated, but I think for the most part we are ready to go. But in the meantime, I'm gonna clean that window because it's just a tad bit dirty, and I like to see what's coming in the bin. There, that's better. Well, not terrible. Well, we're really doing it. Started out running through a bunch of calibrations, tried to get the combine set, and I think for the most part we've got everything where we want it to go. Right now they're trying to get the dryer going, dumping the first load into the bin, and yeah, we'll do some more and we'll see how everything goes. Well, it appears to be working. What we have here is we have automatic header height control, and then we have road guidance, in other words, auto steer. So, been trying to kind of mess around my auto steer, just got it working. I think it's working, although I'm kind of having to go back and forth, change some different settings and aggressiveness. I believe our automatic header height is also right. Yield appears to be doing pretty dang good. It is running about 20% moisture, although monitor now shows about 21, which it is a little bit green out here. It's not exactly completely dried down, but I think it's good enough that we're gonna go at it. So I mentioned back during planting that we do split planting, where we plant two hybrids of corn at the same time. So, actually, fun fact, this is the field that I made the video where I was planting in. That same field. Anyway, the two hybrids, the first two hybrids that we're starting with, one hybrid was our best hybrid that we grew last year, and it's actually the one that we're in now. A couple of characteristics of it. Number one, it's a lot greener than the other hybrid, and it's about half a foot taller probably. And then the other hybrid is a new hybrid of corn for us this year. A little shorter, it's drier as far as the plant goes. I think the actual corn itself, there ain't much difference in the moisture, but the plant itself is drier. We've only done about 12 acres total, so it's about 6 and 6 between the two varieties, so it's hard to tell exactly how well the two are going to compare, but so far they're both yielding pretty good. Yeah, one thing about the ladder coming up that way, it does kind of block your view. Yeah, not exactly one of the greater idea, but it just kind of blocks your view some. There, now you can actually see it a little bit better. It does show to be a little green, which moisture's saying about 20, which with our current dryer, our Shivers dryer system, pretty much the max on it is about 20%, although it's going to be slow. So actually, we're really not going to be able to run all that long, but we're going to fill up the dryer pretty dang quick. I'm pretty sure they got the dryer going. They did get one truck unloaded. I guess they're working on the second truck, so everything's working, I believe. I mean, you can't really ask for much better than that. I think we'll take it any day. There be light. Well, that was weird. I said let there be light, and my monitor here said let it be off. Yeah, my monitor went off, but it's back on now. I don't know. Well, they don't appear to be unloading any more trucks, so that doesn't seem like a good sign. So I don't know, we may be done here pretty soon. Well, it appears Wesley has turned the lights off the tractor and the grain cart, so I guess we're done. I'm full. And as far as I know, all the trucks and the grain cart are full as well. The lights are on at the bin system, so they're doing something over there, but apparently we are calling it quits for some reason. But we ended up doing about 19 acres. That's a pretty decent start, I guess. I don't know how many truckloads that was, but anyway, we're done for now. So I guess we'll go back at it tomorrow, hopefully. So now I walk in the middle of this shelled cornfield, and I guess I'm going home. So I guess we'll see y'all tomorrow.